Now we just gotta go pick up my clients. That's a big trout. There you go, big sea trout.
Nice, dude.
That's not that big. You can catch trout all day out here. I need a measuring thing up here. He's not 15. That's a trout.
Feels like it. With that weight on there, man, it's a totally different.
That's a big trout.
It's a totally different feel.
You want to do a jig head?
No, it's just taking me a minute to get used to what's going on.
Yeah, we can switch it around.
It's not bothering me at all, man. I'm just telling you.
That's a sea trout.
Yeah.
We need the ones without spots. That might be a keeper. They're all right there. The fish swimming at you. Good trout. That might be that's 15.
That's a good one, dude.
That's bigger than the first one.
Nice.
You know when you got a big, oh yeah, that's a huge one. Good one, dude. That's a nettable size. That's a big one. Yeah. They hit it so much harder than the little ones.
You can feel it.
Yep, that's a big one. That's a good fish.
That's a damn good fish. Where's it? Oh,
That's 17 inches.
17?
Yeah, that's way bigger than the last two. I tried to make it flashy, and then a trout will pounce on it. A little cut bait. You got one. Yep. That's a good fish.
Yeah.
That's a heavier one.
Yeah.
It's about time. Oh, you snacked? Oh. Maybe not. Yeah, he's not nearly as big as I thought he was.
He just hit it hard, boy. He was hungry.
That's only a 14-incher. Where are the keepers?
Microscopic precision, huh? Is he on this color?
Here you go. That's a big fish. Jumping out of the water, that's a good sign. It's like they're just undersized. They're all 14 inches. You fling them in.
It's not bad though. Let's fry him up.
There we go.
Really?
This ain't a trout. Oh, it's a Big Mac. Big. That's a Big Mac.
Damn sure is. Nice.
He ate the cut bait.
Some big Spanish mackerel, man. Shit.
Oh, there we go. You see it? Oh, that's a big silver. That's what we're here.
Gotcha.
That's what we're here for.
Oh, I got you in those spots.
Yeah. These have no limit, and that's a monster.
Yeah.
They usually don't get that big. But that's why I use the cut bait to get these guys. These guys love cut bait. And you keep as many of these as you want. Tighten your drag.
I got no bait.
More bait, baby.
Every time I clean up a pinfish, you catch another one.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, I felt like it.
Oh, big trout. Get that sucker in here. That's a keeper. I probably should. That's a good trout. There you go. First cast.
Hell yeah, boy!
Yeah, this spot has bigger trout on it. He's barely a keeper too. He's not nearly as big as the last one. Putting up a fight?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're definitely bigger sea trout. They're all right there at 15 inches. That's a beautiful fish. Flip them in. That one actually looks fatter. Yeah. Every one of your trout are good size.
That's a good one right here. I mean, dude.
It's another 14. They hit hard.
Drilled that thing, man. I'm telling you. Come here.
Big old trout. Get him in. There you go. He's a little short, isn't he? God, they're all 14 and a half.
Yeah.
At least we found a little pocket of trout. All 14. And decent, yeah, decent trout. I just lost mine. This one's got some weight to it. Come on, be a big silver. Hey, I think I found the big silvers. Nice. That's a, or has that got spots?
No, silver.
Awesome. But we get 10 of those, you have plenty for dinner, then we go look for the big drum to play with.
Hey, you're fine, bro. I'm not working. I usually stay sharp.
That one's putting up a fight. Come on, be a big one. Oh, big silver. There we go. That's what we want right there. Mr. No Spot.
Heck yeah, that's what you want.
Those are good cooler fillers.
Oh, there's
That's a big silver.
That's a nice silver right there. I like how you come. I like how you come.
Oh, we can stay as long as y'all want, play with these guys, and then we go look for them drums.
Yeah, man, I'm down. I mean, honestly, I'll keep you going, dude. You don't know the truth.
Well, whatever y'all want.
Like doing Tyler, I'm here.
If you want to catch trout all day, we can catch trout all day, or we can go run over there. If we don't catch them, we come back to here.
Yeah, I say we do that. Let me get rid of this shrimp I got here.
And literally straight ahead, there's probably 10 drum tails that just keep popping up. There's a little bar. Oh, there he is. I just saw his tail pop up again. He's on the other side of the sandbar.
So here, here. Like right there?
They're right there in front of you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's on the other side of that shallow spot.
I just saw it.
That's freaking cool. You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna get him.
Couple of them.
Holy sh!
Yeah.
Yeah, you see right there.
Yeah, fuck yeah, I see it.
They're just on the other side of the bar.
I know.
Oh, look at them all. That is a monster, dude. Oh, we got some on this side of the bar too. They're literally everywhere.
I see him. Oh my god, look at that bitch.
They're literally everywhere.
Nice cast. I'm gonna try to get on the other side of you. Right here, Justin. I can't see.
He's gone now. Oh, right there.
Oh, I see him.
You gotta get out in front of him. You just gotta find a spot and let it sit and don't move it. Moving it makes it get snagged. Oh my god, look at him sitting right there. Can't get any closer than that. Look at that fish.
I can see him.
He doesn't even know we're here.
Huh?
He doesn't even know we're here. Just drop it in front of.
Oh, I see.
Well, there's probably 100 of them on the other side. So we need to just go to the other side and just let our baits sit on the bottom and stop trying to sight cast them and snagging rocks. I mean, you can see where their tail. Look at all their tails out of the water. There's 30 of them right there. We get one in the middle of that, we'll get one instantly.
Yeah, you can see one.
So let's go around this bar, and I'm gonna power pull down, try as quiet as possible, and then shut the trolling motor off. Cause this is pretty cool to be able to see them. I mean, this is like some people's only time they'll ever see this, you know? Seeing tails out of the water, drums swimming up to the boat.
Fucking tails all out of the water.
There's 2 of them right there. But at least now we can just sit here quietly for a little while and just let them settle down. And big tail right there. So this is where I'll just bait and wait. I'll throw a bait out, just let it sit there. One will find it eventually. Get ready. I think he's got it. Look at the drum right in front of us.
Yeah, I know. He's like, Jesus Christ.
How stupid can you be? Look at that thing. Look at him. You can't even see him, the water's so dirty. He literally just swam right under the boat.
Is that a rock or a fish?
It's a fish.
Finally.
He got a lot shorter.
He might be swimming at you. I think it's just a drum swimming at you. He's about to take off. Get ready.
Yeah.
It is a drum.
Oh my god.
He's about to take off. Get ready.
Net, dude.
Dude, he's not done yet. He's just getting started.
Oh my god.
Get him off the boat. Get him off the boat. Reel down. Reel down. There you go. Loosen the drag of hair if he does take off. Unless they're in mating time, he might not fight at all. He's not fighting much at all. That is a huge fish.
Yeah, it is.
That's a 38-inch fish. But hooking them over here, they don't fight as much as hooking them over there because there's no current. The current helps them over there. He doesn't even know he's hooked. He's just swimming. He's like, what is going on? Why am I going backwards? There's some big dumb fish.
They are big dumb fish.
It's like catching a 30-pound carp. It's a good picture-worthy fish, though. Look at the size of that sucker.
Come on, baby.
That's a monster.
Oh, he's gone, babe.
He's going.
He's gone.
He's swimming away now. You had him up to the boat, and now he's gone.
Come on, babe.
See, if you fight him harder, they fight back harder. When you barely put any pressure against him, he doesn't do nothing. But if you fight him hard, he'll fight harder. Put a little pressure on him. Watch, he'll get pissed off.
Look at that tail on that.
All right, let's net it. Come on up here. Get his head up. No, he don't want to come this way. Yeah, this is where they start getting angry. All right, bring him back this way. All right, reel down.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude!
That's a good fish. Look at the remora. That's a big drum. Better not be a catfish. Yep, drum. That's a drum. There's another one. He didn't put up much of a fight at all, did he?
No.
Loosen the drag of hair so it don't break. They're sitting right where I thought it would be. Didn't I just say they'll be on the end of this bar?
Yeah.
Like
Called it.
right when I said that. Depending on which way the current's going is where they sit. That's a big fish. He's smaller than the first one. Let's keep him away from that troll. Go around the boat if you have to. Yeah, you showing him who's boss.
Show him who's boss, Pee-wee.
That's a much smaller one. Nope, he didn't want to come in the net. That's a much smaller. That's like half the size of the first one. This is the fun size. This is my favorite size to catch right here. What are you doing? He was at the boat a while ago. I thought you said he wasn't fighting.
He wasn't a minute ago.
He woke up.
Yeah.
He knows he's hooked now. Oh, just out of reach. Come on. Look. There we go. Little guy. That's a monster. You got to feel that one eat it too. On the Barbie rod. Hey, reel mine. Mine's got a fish. Mine's got a fish. Hooked up again. There's number 3. Big ugly. On the Barbie rod. We should bring some Zebcos out here and try this with little thing. Let's see that little Daiwa from Walmart. That little Walmart reel.
Get it, kid.
Oh man, it's another good fish.
Bring him over here.
Putting that Walmart reel to work.
Yo.
That's another 30-inch fish.
You bitch.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Good job, kid.
That's another 30. And the hook just fell out like it was nothing. Another big ugly. Alrighty. Which way do you want to go on this one?
Yo, hold on, Skylar. I got a video of this.
You ready?
Yeah.
Another black drum going back. Grab him by his tail. That's a beautiful fish. Try to get his head going that way. There you go.